guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be making you the most delicious, soft and moist banana bread recipe. This banana bread recipe creates the most delicious, moist loaf with loads of overly ripe banana flavors. Why compromise this banana flavor? Friends and family love my recipe and say it's by far the best. So if you want to learn and try this in your kitchen, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go ahead and go make us some banana bread. Let's go! These are all the ingredients that I will be using today to make my moist banana bread. Over here, I have 3 overly ripe bananas. This is what you want your banana to look like. Ugly, spotted ups, and overly ripe. The uglier the banana, the better the banana bread. I bet you never knew that. Give it a try and then you'll see for yourself. Here I have me 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Over here I have me 2 eggs. And I went ahead and removed the eye of the egg because I don't like when I'm smelling the rawness in my cakes or my bread. So I went ahead and removed my eye of the egg. My grandma taught me that. But if you want to use a egg just like that, go ahead and use your egg just like that. This is my banana bread and this is how I am making it. Okay? Here I have me 3 cups of light brown sugar. 3/4 cups. That is 12 tablespoons. Here I have my unsalted sweet cream butter. You could use the salted butter if you wish. Here I have me 1 teaspoon of my baking soda. Over here I have me 1 teaspoon of my vanilla extract. And here I have me 1/2 teaspoon of my salt. So if you want to learn this moist, fluffy and delicious banana bread recipe, please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and make us some banana bread. So at this point we are going to mash our bananas. As you can see, it is super soft, which is good. So with a fork, I am going to mash my bananas until it is chunky and is looking like applesauce, okay? And there you have it. This is exactly what you want your banana to look like, mashed, chunky, and looking like applesauce. So let's move on to the next process. So to my mixing bowl, I am going to add my butter and my sugar, where at this point I am going to cream it together. All right, we want our banana bread to be nice. Now this is what your butter and your sugar should look like when it's creamed. Look at it. Wow, this is everything. Now to my cream, butter and sugar, I am going in with my mashed bananas. Going in with my 2 eggs. And we are just going to mix. All right, we don't want to overbeat our batter, so that is enough, and it's looking really good. To a separate bowl, what I'm doing here is I am going to add my dried ingredients and I'm going to combine them together. So that was my baking soda, and up next we're going with our salt. You want to make sure you separate your dry ingredients from your wet ingredients, and then you just combine them. So just give it that mix until it's combined. All right, and there you have it. Now we're going to add our dried ingredients a little bit at a time to our wet ingredients. So for now, this will do. Let me just mix it in. Make sure you get all the creases and corners. Now we are going to go ahead and add in our vanilla extract. Perfect. Smelling super nice already. Who love the smell of banana bread being made? Let me know in the comment section. As you can see, the bottom of the pan, the flour is well combined. It doesn't need no more mixing. Look, that's what you want the bottom of your dish should look like when you know it is fully combined together, well combined. And the edges, see, it's looking really, really good, and it's smelling oh so good. You need to give this a try in your kitchen. What are you waiting on? So now I'm going to grease my non-stick pan with some grease so that my banana bread doesn't stick. That's it. That's all you need. It is time to add in our batter. So take your time and just add your batter in just like so. And at this point, you want to make sure your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. And we are going to bake this baby for 55 minutes to 60 minutes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is I am going to shake it and give it a tap so all the air bubbles and everything is leveled. Okay, so just give it that tap. Let me go ahead and level the top and just give it that cut in the middle. Now let's go ahead and bake our banana bread. Let's go. I'm just showing you guys a sneak peek of what it looks like being baked. OMG, looks good. Now this is what my banana bread looks like. It is finished, completely baked. Let me go again and check it again, just to make sure. And look at that. Came out clean and nice. I am going to let my banana bread sit for at least 20 minutes so it can cool off so I could cut into it. I don't want it to be hot and then it break apart. So let's wait for it to cool off and then we're gonna cut into it and see how inside looks. Okay, so see you guys back in 20 minutes. We are back. Let's check on our banana bread. It is cold and it is ready to be cut up. Wow, look how easily it came out. Wow. Remember, follow these steps and I promise you, you won't go wrong. Now it's time for me to cut into my banana bread. Oh, look how spongy. Let me show you guys. Look how spongy this is. OMG. I had was to give it a bite.
There you have it, my moist, delicious, and flavorful banana bread recipe. If you want to give it a try in your kitchen, please go ahead. But please let me know your honest feedback in the comment section. Let me know as well how much you would rate this video. I gave it a 10 out of 10 because guess what? It was bussin'. If you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. More content is coming up, so please turn your post notification button on so you don't miss out all these delicious, flavorful recipes. This is your beautiful girl, Jody. See you guys soon. Stay prayed up, stay hydrated, and stay safe. Your girl love you. Bye for now.